Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2018 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.